Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds on Charles Schwab. So to do this is pretty simple. So to transfer from Charles Schwab, all you have to do is go to client.schwab.com, log in your ID and then password. From there, you'll have to go to navigate your wire transfer. And then from here, you will see your account and go to online transfer or wire transfer. So this applies to both. So it's going to be from, you're going to select your account and then to the one you're sending it to. So the amount will be wired, or you will have to receive the bank right here, or the credit to the account number, name, and address. From there, you will have to go to the next page. So here, you will have to place your validation code and then your account from here. So there you will have your account name, as you can see, and your account holder and country of account holder, and for further credit too. So here you'll have no, and then here this is just the transmission notes, so this is going to be a personal reference. And then next you will have your review right here. So note that you will have to reduce or actually minus the fees already so that it will push through. So right here, as you can see, the transfer fees is $25 and other fees is 16. So the transfer amount will be here. So I'm not going to show you that. And basically, there you go. That is how you transfer funds on Charles Schwab. It's just that easy. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.